Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to transform data in Power BI. First we will import the data from computer. And in our first video we learned how to import data from Excel in Power BI. Before loading the data there is an option of transform data. Click on it. It will take some time. Now you will see the data on Power Query Editor. In transformation window you can merge columns, add rows, add column, remove column, and much more. First we will remove the null rows. Just click remove rows and select remove blank rows. Now you see the blank rows were deleted. In Power BI there is no option of Ctrl Z for undo the action. You just click the cut sign from the right side window, that is applied steps. We pressed the cut sign. Now you check the previous step was undo. Do it again and move next. You can make your first row as a header by clicking the Use First Row as Headers from the Home toolbar. And check your first row, move to the header. For removing the column, just select the column and click Remove Columns. Now you see the selected column removed from the data. But for the row removing you can remove top rows, bottom rows, and alternate rows. Top row and bottom row removing is just so simple in one click. But for the alternative row remove you have to enter the first row number that you want to remove, number of rows you want to remove, and number of rows to keep. In this video we will remove number 4 and 5 will remove. For this we press 4 in first row to remove option. Press 2 in number of rows to remove, and in number of rows to keep you will type the total number of rows. Now you can check the selected rows were deleted. For adding a column in Power Query Editor, click Add Column. Now you can add column, conditional column, index column, and duplicate column. But in this video we will select index column, and the column will add in the very last. Drag the column from last to first, or click right button of the mouse and click on Move and select to beginning. Now you can see the index column has been added in very first column. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos.